Alright guys, this is Jason, creator of IDOLCAM. Today I'm going to Ikea and just want to show you what's the difference between Ikea in Shenzhen and Ikea in the States. You guys can compare. I'm guessing it's the same, but I was told Ikea is really big in Shenzhen. So let's see. I'm not sure if they haven't compared with ones in the other countries. Like for me it's the US. So I've been to a lot of them, but I was told this one is supposed to be humongous. So let's find out. Alright, mission accomplished. We just went into the Ikea. Pretty much it's the same thing like every other Ikea. I don't feel like it's much bigger, but I got my stuff. Got a shelf, and we're done.